Come test drive the 2020 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.